Hallo, alles zusammen. Now we do the personal pronomen in accusative case. We have already done the personal pronomen in nominative case. It is our ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. So, is become MICH in case of accusative. So when we use accusative, if they are another object with subject, if they are object, then the sentence will be in accusative case, probably, most probably. When the object is directly involved, in that case our sentence will be in accusative case, like I love you. So here I is our subject and you, it is directly involved with I. So you is our object and this love, to love, this is to love, is our verb. So here I will be ish, but here you can't be do, because this you is our accusative object. So here it is not do, instead of do we use this, and love is lieben. So is Liebe. Conjugation of lieben with ich liebe, du liebst, es lebt, wir lieben, ihr lebt, sie lieben, and so on. So is liebe dich here, ich liebe dich. So here this is our subject. Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich. So this dich is our object. So that's why do, it means you, I love you. You changes to this you in accusative sentence, in accusative case. So here will be in, become in, like is, canna, in, canon, canna is a verb, conjugation of canon. Canon is to know, and the conjugation of canon with is canna. Is canna. I know him. So this is our him. It means but it is our object and it is our subject. And this one is verb. So is, so subject always in personal pronoun. So personal pronoun is our ish. I know, canon, canna, him. Changes to in, him. That's why is canna in. I know you. I know him. Sorry. Now ish and z become z. Z is z. Like as she know her. So z can't. Z. She know her. S remains S. Wir becomes uns. Wir becomes un. Morgen sehen wir uns in the Schule. Tomorrow we will see ourselves in the school. So we changes to us. In case of accusative personal pronoun. And ihr changes into euch. Ist eure euch. Ist eure euch. So is our subject, and this one is euren, and this is euch. Euch is our object. So ich eure euch. Sie becomes z. They convert into them. Z. Formal z, and it remains as z. Vielen Dank.